Hello friends, I am here with another video and took a question from equilibrium. This question is asked in equilibrium in JEE Mains paper, and this question is from equilibrium. The question says 5 mole of PCl are placed in a 200 liter vessel which contain 2 mole of N2 gas. AR is maintained at 600 Kelvin. The equilibrium pressure is 2.46 atm. The equilibrium constant for dissociation of PCl is the value of R. R is a ideal gas constant. R is equals to 0.082 liter atm per Kelvin per mole. This is a value of R. The question says we have a 5 mole of PCl that are placed in 200 liter of vessel. 200 liter of vessel. Here this is a vessel. It has a capacity of 200 liter. This is a vessel of 200 liter. Here is PCl5. 2 mole of N2 R is maintained at 600 Kelvin. The equilibrium pressure is 2.46 atm. The pressure of equilibrium 2.46 atm. And we need to calculate the Kp value. Kp value is a equilibrium constant. When we find the Kp value, then we also find the dissociation of PCl5. Now this is a reaction that is given in question. This is a given in question. PCl5 gas which breaks into PCl3 gas plus Cl2 gas. This is a reaction that is given in question. T is equals to 0. When T is equals to 0, then the mole of PCl5 is 5. There is no dissociation in this reaction, then the mole of PCl3 is equals to 0 and also 0. When reaction is not started, then T is equals to 0. The moles of PCl5 is given in question 5 moles. And this mole is 0 and this mole is also 0. When the equilibrium at T equilibrium, then the moles of PCl5 5 minus X mole. It dissociates. Then when it break, then the product will form. Something break from here. Let's say X. This is break from this compound. And when this compound is break with X, then form also break X. Then the product form also X, and this is also X. This is given in question 5 mole of PCl5. When the time is at equilibrium, then the product will break in some product. The reactant will break in some product. The product that breaks, let's say this is X. Then the X break, then also product make is X. The product will make also X. I say the value of equilibrium pressure is 2.46 atm. Total number of moles at equilibrium will be total number of moles when reaction is at equilibrium. Moles of reaction is, let's say, 5 minus X plus X plus X, which is equals to N total, which is equals to 7 plus X. This is total. This is the total moles. 5x. I am writing here this again. We need to calculate the total moles. Then 5 minus X, this one plus X plus X plus N2, moles of N2, which is equals to 7 plus X. We know the equation of gas. PV is equals to nRT. PV is equals to nRT. This is a equation of gas, universal gas. This is a universal gas constant R, and T is a temperature, N is a mole, P is a pressure, V is a volume. N is equals to PV upon RT, and N, we know the value of N, 7 plus X, which is equals to 2.46. This is given in question, and temperature is also given in question. R 0.082 into T. This is volume is also given in question, 200 liter, and this value is given out. X is equals to 3. When I calculate this quantity, then the value of X is equals to 3. Now I am going to solve the value of Kp. Kp is equals to product P of PCl3 and P of PCl2. PCl3, in numerator we write the product, in denominator we write the reactant, PCl5. And now calculate 3 upon 10 into 2.46. This is a mole of PCl3, and this is a pressure, into 3 upon 10 into 2.46 divided by 2 by 10 into 2.46, and this value comes out 1.107, and convert into ATM. 117 into 10 raised to power minus 3 in ATM. This is a question of equilibrium that asked in JEE Mains paper. It's an easy question, but we have to learn all the concept of all the formulas that are under on equilibrium. We must learn. So thank you so much. If this video is too much good, then like and share, subscribe, hit the bell icon. So thank you so much.